today I just want to bring a little bit of light into the cholesterol numbers. So for whatever reason, lately I've been talking with people that seem to be scared about the cholesterol results, lab test results with regards to their cholesterol, LDL, HDL and triglyceride. Hi Joyce. And I just want to give you a quick formula you can use to determine your risk for cardiovascular events based on your lipid profile, insulin resistance and some degree of inflammation in your body. So if you are unable to have your physician order a particle count that looks at particle size of your LDL and HDL and also looks at triglycerides, and all you have is a total cholesterol, a calculated LDL, calculated HDL and triglyceride number, I would invite you to use the following formula, and based on the numbers you will get, you know if you have to further investigate your risk for cardiovascular disease. And by the way, this formula is in my book, Make Peace with Fat. It's on page 241 for those of you that have the book. If you don't have the book is available on Amazon, both paperback as well as Kindle. So get total HDL and divide that by total cholesterol. So let's say you have 100 HDL and 250 total cholesterol. You divide 100 by 250 and then you multiply by 100 and see what percentage you get. So what percentage of your total cholesterol HDL is? If it's above 24%, that's a good thing. So that means almost a quarter of your total cholesterol is made of the HDLs, a more protective cholesterol, so you're in good shape. And the other exercise you need to do, or number you want to calculate, is you take total triglycerides and divide that by your protective cholesterol and HDL. And the number you should hear for, it should be less than 2. So in other words, the higher your triglycerides and the lower your HDL, the more at risk you are for developing cardiovascular disease. And that is because you definitely have severe or moderate degree of insulin resistance, and insulin is probably the biggest contributing factor to cardiovascular disease, to diabetes, to cancer, to all chronic degenerative conditions, insulin and inflammation. So I hope you took notes on this one. If not, definitely you can watch the replay. And these simple formulas will help you feel relief in case you have total high cholesterol but you have high HDL and low triglycerides. You know that's a good thing. Hi Danny. If you have greater than 24% for the first calculation for the HDL out of total cholesterol, and you have greater than 2% the ratio between triglycerides and HDL, then you want to further investigate the coronary artery calcium score, check for inflammation, check for insulin resistance, and of course prioritize food and lifestyle changes. You have to go radical. You've got to follow pretty much what I preach. So with that being said, I hear the bell. That means my son is getting out of school. Thank you for tuning in. If you're watching the replay, let me know what stood out for you. If you do your numbers and you want to share with me, I would love it. If you find this video valuable, share with your friends and family. And don't forget, the book is available on Amazon, and of course you can always reach out for and inquire about private coaching. Have an awesome one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.